Hello everyone, welcome to Telangana Exam Center. I hope that you are doing well. As you all know that the first week of the January will be very crucial because group 1 notifications is going to be released, it seems, in the first week of the January. So you have to be very perfect with regard to the prelims, because when you pass prelims then only you can go ahead with the mains examination. And I have already have a proven record with regard to a couple of students who have joined my mentorship with regard to group 1 examination. They are now in the higher post, better post, top 15 rank they have got, a couple of them. So they are well placed now in APPSC. Also I have got a good record with regard to a couple of students who have properly cracked the group 2 examinations. Their certificate verification, everything has been done. With regard to Telangana group 1 examination, they are already having their appointment letters, which is also there on the news also. Okay, so do join my classes, test series and mentorship. You will be better off with me than with anybody else, that I can guarantee you, right? So don't waste your time, don't just sit and relax when the notification will come. So at the time of notification you cannot complete the syllabus. I keep on saying this in every class. You have to prepare well before in advance now to crack the examination, which is going to be tough, which is going to be competitive, which is going to be written by a lot of people. Okay, so those who are watching me for the very first time, those who have been watching me, join my economy and movement classes. If you're doing this, you'll get the SMT free along with the current affairs. Whatever we are discussing, all of this belongs to you. So let us start our discussion. The first important current affairs we have is Telangana Panchayat elections. These are very important because next 5 years again the Panchayat elections will not be held. So even if you're writing the examination in 2026 November also, then also this question is possible to come. So Panchayat elections are very important. Have the proper data. Take out your pen, take out your book and start writing however I am explaining to you. So there was a debate. There was a common question that I have asked in the yesterday's student class, where I was just talking about. I just asked one of my student and asked him that, come on, Rohit, tell me who won the Panchayat election. So he was saying that, sir, it's like Congress has swept the Panchayat elections like that. And one more girl was there. She also said the same thing. Then I was asking them that, whether whether the local body elections are fought on the party symbols, whether the urban local body or rural local body, they will be shocked. They are saying that yes, sir, obviously in the news channels and in the various newspaper, they are saying that Congress has swept the Panchayat elections, BJP has swept the Hyderabad local body elections, urban local body elections. So obviously, sir, party symbols. So that is a big misconception. Why? Because local body elections, whether they are rural local body elections or urban local body elections, there won't be any party symbol. There is party back candidates will be there. Obviously, if I am, let us suppose if I am Sanjay and representing, contesting for a Sarpanch, I will not be having the symbol of Kamal, that is Lotus or BJP or Congress of Har. I will not be having it. Only thing is that I would be a Congress karyakarta or BJP karyakarta, and they are supporting me. That's how people says that okay, it is the Congress have come or BJP has come or BRS has come, like that they will say. But the local body elections have been never been fought on the party symbols. Remember this point. Okay, and the Telangana Panchayat Raj elections yesterday was completed. The third phase of it is completed. Okay, the polling began at 7 a.m. yesterday in the morning and went on to conclude at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. And right after the polling, the elections happened from 2 p.m. onwards yesterday. The counting starts. Now the results have not come, but they will come, and I'll make a video on it for sure. There are a total of 12,652 Sarpanch candidates are there. 75,725 candidates are contesting for ward positions. 53 lakh voters are there. Okay, 36,000 polling stations are established by the government of Telangana in order to make the process of this Panchayat elections to go very smooth and streamlined. A total of 3,752 Gram Panchayats are up for elections. 28,410 wards are up for elections. So this is very important data. Maybe as an MCQ, so don't just take it casually. And here the Revant Reddy government has put up their promise. They have actually given 42% reservation to the BCs, which has already been struck down by the High Court, saying that if you give 42% reservation to the BCs, then SC, ST, BC reservation together will go beyond 50%, which is not allowed by the Supreme Court. Okay. So that's the reason here. It is this 42% reservations in the panchayats and municipalities has been rejected by the High Court, and it is now appealed in the Supreme Court by the Telangana government. So till the final judgment come, this particular GO to provide 42% reservation to BCs will continue, and this decision of Telangana government to give 42% reservation to to the BCs because they are in the proportion of the population, then it is also backed by what BRS and BJP is saying that good sir, you have done good. So you can see a proper infographic I have given you. 85.77% voter turnout to the Sarpanch's candidate, 42% reservations are there. Congress claims major leads, as I've already predicted that always I'm predicting nowadays very good. Okay, I don't know how, but I'm predicting always very good with regard to elections. BJP and BRS on the very back foot it seems. Okay, all of these we are done. Okay, now let us go ahead with warrior dividend. Mr. Donald Trump has announced warrior dividend. What it is, very important point. Remember this, they may ask you in the examination which one of the following country has recently provided warrior dividend to their army personals, like that they may ask you the question. So your answer should be what? USA, because Donald Trump has awarded is going to award $1,776, okay, to each active military person, whoever is in active military service, not the retired one, etc., so and so forth. Whoever is in active military service, Donald Trump is giving them the Christmas gift of what? $1,776 will be given to each and every military personnel who is. This is called as what? Warrior dividend. Okay, dividend, always remember this point, it is divide at the end. Means when a company made profits according to the shareholder, this profit will be divided at the end or not? Yes. So dividend is nothing but divide at the end, and the warrior dividend is nothing but the amount that is given to the military personnel as a award and announced by what? Donald Trump. What is your opinion with regard to this? Should India also have this warrior dividends or warrior what I say is that bonus to be given to our army personals? Write in the comment section. Now let us go ahead with the third important mission that has been launched by government of India, that is okay, export promotion mission. I have to also remind you that Telangana Rising 2047 separate playlist is that each and every initiative program, each and everything with regard to Telangana Rising 2047, the global summit which was held in Hyderabad, everything has been documented in that particular playlist. 4 to 5 questions will come from it in the MCQs, and 2 3 questions will come, okay, with regard to what means examination. So don't leave it. So let us go ahead with the export promotion scheme. It was approved in the budget 2025 to 2026. Basically this particular scheme, with the name only you can understand that it promotes what? Exporters. It helps exporters. It provides Indian exporters, especially MSME, okay, and the first time exporters like me, if I want to export something like pickle, Priya pickle or something like that, so for me also it provides me what? Simpler, faster and more coordinated support from the government. How this becomes simpler, faster, I'll just let you know in a bit, because we have some portals to be discussed. Outlay of around 25,060 crores has been given, okay, that this much amount will be spent from 2025 2026 to 2030 to 2031. So 5 years this much amount will be spent on this particular export promotion mission. The mission aims to improve the trade finance. Means if I want to trade, if I am not having the sufficient finance, so I can take money from the strengthen market readiness. Okay, so market readiness is nothing but if someone wants to become exporter, so he don't have to worry about what, how I can do it, because already this mission is there, he will be very happy. Yeah, market is ready, I can do exports. Build competitiveness across regions and sectors. Okay, export promotion mission brings together several fragmented schemes into one system, that is what is called as what? Simpler. So exporters can access support in a very clear and predictable manner. There won't be what unpredictability, uncertainty with regard to any of the processes, with regard to any of the filings or documentations. That's why many of the fragmented schemes has been clubbed under this export promotion mission. The Director General of Foreign Trade is very important here, because it is going to be the implementing agency. This may come in the examination in the form of MCQs. Remember this point here. The mission functions to two integrated components. One, we are having what? Niryat Protsahan, nothing but promotion. Another one, Niryat Disha. Niryat Protsahan is nothing but deals with financial support, including interest subvention. Low interest rate will be charged if you're taking loans from this particular export promotion missions. Export factoring, deep tier financing will be there, and credit enhancement will be there. If you're paying good, so your credit will be enhanced. Then we also have Niryat Disha, focus on non-financial needs such as testing and certifications, branding, packaging. So for all of this logistic, you will get what, the government support. But here finance will not be there, but branding, packaging, trade fair, etc. Here the government of India will give you proper space so that you can also what exhibit your products and get the branding done. Alongside the mission, the government of India is also implemented and also expanded the credit guarantee scheme for the exporters with the additional support of 20,000 crores. The scheme provides 100% credit guarantee coverage. Means if SBI is giving any loan with regard to any exporters, like 1 crore loan is given to exporter X, if the X is not able to pay 1 crore, so that particular this credit to X will be guaranteed by what, government of India. So government of India will pay to SBI. This is only called as credit guarantee scheme. This helps exporters, especially MSME, access collateral free working capital. Now, very important one for the Telangana Rising, to develop our Telangana, to make our Telangana Viksit Telangana by 2047. The government of Telangana has got 3-stage prong strategy. Many times I have discussed this, but in this particular lecture I want to give you some important areas which I have not touched before. Okay, as you all know that we are going to do this strategy, Telangana Rising Strategy, will be done in 3 important ways. The core region, this is Hyderabad region, which we call it as CURE. Okay, core urban region economy. Then here we are having what, okay, this area is called as peri-urban region economy, this area. Then whatever area will be there, this is city. After city you will find what, semi-urban areas. Then the rural area, this is called a rare. Okay, rural area, agriculture region economy. So cure area will be what, this is very important, this is not there in my previous lectures, that is why I have picked up here. So the cure region will be up to what, 160 kilometers, remember this point. Okay, this is Hyderabad 160 kilometers, like this is the cure region. Then you also have what, the next region we are having, no, 360-kilometer region to connect to all key peri-urban region. So 360 kilometers up to, like this is called our peri-urban region. And after that you will be having what, rural stage, rural strategy will be implemented in the form of what, rural agri region economy, to develop agriculture, green economy, agri based industry. That all will be done in what, rare region. I hope this is all clear to you. This important kilometers, please do remember, they may ask you in the examination. Don't forget the kilometers. Kilometers are the only thing that I wanted to tell in this particular lecture. Okay, so I'll see you tomorrow. Do join my classes, do follow me, do subscribe, give me the hype score, and do comment in the do put a lot of comments, and that will empower me, help me to motivate to do more classes. Thank you, stay tuned and stay updated with all the current affairs. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.